subscribe with notifications on.
In my own country, to avoid suffering, to avoid all this type of thing that I'm seeing here right now. That's why you see me. I'm not boasting, guys, but my life is better. I'm not rich, but my life is better. 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 At least I'm able to make 100,000 rand per month. I'm able to make that 200,000 rand per month. It's okay. It's not enough, but it's okay. While you guys are sitting at home, you're complaining. Blame your government. Blame your government. Stop blaming South African foreigners. Stop blaming these people. Instead of you guys learning from them, you are blaming them. You wanna kill them. You wanna ambush them. You wanna ambush them. You wanna fight them. You wanna harass them. You wanna, guys, stop it, man. Stop it. Steal from those guys. Learn from those guys. Go out there and learn how they do it. How do they do it? You are scared to sit on the street and say, oh no, I cannot sit on the street. Hey, what? I can't sit on the street. Right now, there's so many corruption in South Africa. I've traveled around many countries, guys. I've never seen South Africa is a movie. South Africa is a movie. Each and every day you see something horrible. It's a movie. It's a horror movie. South Africa, you know what? South Africa is a horror movie. It's corrupt. It's finished. South Africa is finished. The country that you guys are bragging about. You say, no, we've got a good country. We've got a good country. This country is fucked up. This country is fucked up. The government doesn't care about you. They care about their pockets. You can't, my man, how are you? Hey, Tara. They care about their pockets. You guys are saying you're waiting for them to come and build RDP for you. Hey, what? At least they're giving you 350. Take the 350. Go do something. Stop crying, man. Huh? Stop crying. Jesus, I'm going to play something. I want you to listen to this. Hold on.
We can't present, but
so I already feel like royalty just to be in your guys' company.
Send it to you. Please share this morning's message.
Alright, so today we're talking about you can't make money part-time.
Aha.
Okay? You know, there's so many guys out there, and guys and girls out there, they want to be rich. They always talk about money. They say, I want to have this, I want to have that, and whatever. But they don't understand, making money is not the easy thing. People will say to you that, people with money will say to you, they made it easy. They're lying. Making money is very, very hard. Making money needs focus. You can't make money part-time. So many people out there want to make money, but they are in the clubs, they are partying the whole day, they are sitting in the taverns, they are sitting at the different businesses, not concentrate on making money. Making money is a full-time job. So wherever you are today, if you want to make money, you must understand, number one rule of wanting to make money in life is you must stop caring what other people might say. People will always have something to say. I remember when I was sitting in a taxi, I used to admire people driving in a Lamborghinis, in their cars outside. But when I was driving in my own Lamborghini, people in the taxi was admiring me. And the message that came to me was, when I was driving a taxi, people were still gossiping about me. When I was driving a Lamborghini, people will still gossip about me. And so the message is that people will always talk about you. So you are listening today, to all the listeners, if you want to make money, be serious. Don't care what people say. Don't care who likes you. You want to make money. Money likes you when you like money. That's just the fact. So don't care. Don't worry to what people would say. Don't worry about gossip. Don't gossip about people. Keep your eye on the price. Keep your eye on your hustle. Let them talk. They will always talk. Don't worry to fail. And that's the number one message today. Don't care about failure. You can never be rich if you are scared to be broke.
Guys, sometimes we wanna talk about life, but we don't understand how life works. There is something that I'm going to play. Just a moment.
I need a lot of people in my life. And the second thing is why they not doing it. Why they're not doing it?
Right.
You know what, right? I mean,
Someone said it was a pea brain, right? Or something like that. A pea brain elite or something like that. Alright, so G,
You know, guys, I want you guys to listen to something. I want you guys to listen. Listen to this one, guys. Listen to this one, guys. Listen to me very carefully. Very carefully.
what are you talking about today?
courage.
Courage. Wow. All right, give it to us.
So you know what? I meet a lot of people in my life, and when they talk about anything they want to do, whether it's business, whether it's singing, whether it's sport, or whatever they want to do that can improve their lives, the first thing they would say to me when they open their mouths is what they want to do, and the second thing is why they're not doing it. Why they're not doing it.
Right, the excuse.
They give you the excuses and they give you the obstacles. They don't give you the reason of why they should be doing it. They lack that courage. People don't have the courage to believe that they can be great, they can be rich, they can be better, they can be something, that they can change the world. You know, I'm going to make you 3 examples for people to know that, listen, don't let nobody put you in a box, man.
Yes.
Don't let nobody put you in a box.
Yes.
And that is the problem that most people are sitting with. You sit here and you can't see yourself being great. You can't see yourself being rich. You can't see yourself giving people jobs. You only see yourself applying for a job, but you can't see past that. You can't see past the fact that, you know what, that you can provide jobs to people instead of looking for a job. I'll make you an example of a very good friend of mine. It's a guy called Ashwin. You know what? He was a gangster. He was a young American, and he used to tell people, I'm going to become a rugby player. And most people would say they would want to be rugby players in Cape Town, but he had the courage. And I'm telling you, he left gangsterism behind because he saw himself as great. And listen, man, he became the top rugby player in the world. Rugby changed his world. Even his new book is called Rugby Changed My World. And that's what I want to share to people out here. Look around you, man. Nigerians come here with nothing. Somalians come here with nothing. Zimbabweans come here with nothing, man. And you sit here and you complain about them. Listen, imitate those niggas. Learn from those guys. Steal with your eyes. Steal with your ears. Ask them questions. How did you do this? And I want to say to everybody that's listening that, you know what? Don't be scared to see yourself as great. Don't listen to people that's not even great telling you you're not going to be great. What do they know about greatness if they themselves are not great? Leave other people's lives alone and concentrate on your life. I see failures calling me a failure. I see a person with a quarter life complaining about my life that I'm trying to make full. I'm saying to you today, be the best that you can be. Believe that you can be anything that you want to be. Look at me, man. I come from jail, man. I got the worst criminal record ever. But you know what? I didn't let that stop me, man. That's my past. I looked at my future. And look at me today, man. I'm balling. And I'm not going to make an excuse. And let people mustn't tell you that, you know what? He thinks he's better. Of course I'm better. I know I'm better. I know what I was. I know what I'm now. Of course I'm better. Compare what I was and what I am now. I'm out of here. I'm better.
All right,
Hey,
guys.
I love the way you say Zimbabwe.
Guys, you know, life. Guys, let us laugh. Let us respect life. You know, let us respect life. I wanna quickly, and just to complete, just to close off the video. All right, guys, listen to me. Learn from foreigners. Learn from them. Stop abusing them. When you see them, see an opportunity for you to improve. Go to these guys. Find out how did they did it. How did they do it? Find out from them. Stop fighting them. Stop this thing of you abusing them, fighting them. You know, doing all those sort of things. That's nonsense, guys. Let's wake up. Let's stand up. Don't blame these foreigners. Don't blame them. Blame your government, because the government is the one that is making these guys to come to South Africa, to come and stay here without no paper. How can someone be coming from Nigeria? How can someone be coming from Congo? Someone be coming from Angola to come and stay here for 10 years without no papers? And your government is not doing nothing about it. Yeah? Your government is wrong. You are sitting here, you are complaining about this and foreigners, and you are abusing them, beating them, doing all this stuff. You are doing xenophobic. What is this? Guys, wake up. Learn from those guys. I live I learned to live like a foreigner in my own country. Because you know why? I saw this government will never take me anywhere. I saw this government was going to give me problems. This government is just useless. Cannot do nothing for me. Eh? You guys are saying, oh no, ANC. Hey, listen to me. ANC will suffocate you. ANC will make you suffer. ANC will make you sleep hungry. You want to rely on them? It's your own problem. Guys, let me end the video now. We'll keep on talking. I will keep on coming again, just to share with you guys. That's just episode number 1. Episode number 1, I'll do episode number 2. Alright guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.